Light dimming, we dive into the automotive world of the late 90s. We find a gem, a masterpiece of German engineering, the BMW E46, a car that even today, 2 decades later, continues to be a gold standard in performance and driving pleasure. Even as the years roll on, the E46 refuses to bow out, its legacy a testament to design that's both timeless and revolutionary for its era. As we dive into its allure, you might wonder why this old school warrior should share space in your garage as we approach 2025. It's the raw, tactile sensation of the E46, sparking a connection between driver and car that modern models never quite replicate. There's the gritty growl of the engine breathing life into every road you tackle, and the seasoned balance of power and precision that make it a joy to drive. We invite you on a journey exploring the DNA of the E46 and showing you why, despite new kids on the block, this oldie might just be